Okay, hi, we're going to do a quickie little cooking with Judd here, spur of the moment. I got these new weird potatoes over at Publix. The guy told me about them over there and said they're healthier than regular potatoes because they got color. Several different varieties over there. These are the two that he liked best. He cut them in half, I've cut them into thirds, and suggested that I put them on a pan with olive oil, then salt and pepper to taste, or season to taste. He said sometimes he uses the Everglade dust, which I'm not particularly thrilled with, so I'm just going to go with salt and pepper. 375 for about 15 or 20 minutes, he said, and so we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to take them out, take a look, see what happened. Let's poke them, see what the heck. Yeah, it's pretty firm still. Yeah. Okay, that one's okay. I'm going to pull that one aside. Let it cool down. I'm going to put these back in because I think I'm going to be cooking some more. You know, it's funny, I was not raised on olive oil, and I'm not thrilled with the smell of it. I actually prefer Crisco. And we'll see what this is. It's hot. Ooh. Okay. All right, this is one of the white ones, so. Ooh. Okay. Not bad, not bad. That's very much like a regular potato, only with a little more flavor to it. But not a flavor that's different. You know what it's like? It's like we used to go to Nana's and she had real butter. And we put real butter on the potatoes there, which was so different that at home we had the margarine. And the potatoes were always so much better at Nana's. And that tastes like a Nana potato. So it's almost like they got butter built in. Or a little bit of that buttery taste. Not real buttery, but leaning that way within the potato. Okay, that's nice. I like that. Okay, we'll get back to you in a few minutes. Okay, time's up. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, we'll kill that. I think that's as far as I'm going. Okay, there we go. Here I'm nice and sizzling. That's interesting. You can see up to here we've got some oil and well cooked. That one looks thoroughly cooked. The others, okay, you see the oil sort of worked its way up in them. Okay, but we'll take one of these nice little purple ones here, set it aside, and let it cool so I can try that. And we'll move the rest of them to a draining rack. And now we will try this purple potato. A purple potato. That sounds good. Okay, good. Almost the same taste, maybe a slight variation in it, but quite edible. And the cooking time I think was good because it's nice and soft without having gone all starchy. So pretty good. I think I want some chicken with this. So there's your little golden potatoes and purple potatoes, all those little specialty bags of potatoes. Happy day to you.